today class we will solve one tutorial problem, means one tutorial. So moving to first problem, the velocity is given as 150 meter per second, no, millimeter per second. Find the thickness of boundary layer of a plate 1 meter long and 0.8 meter wide when placed in water flowing with a velocity of 150 mm per second. Take viscosity for water equal to 0.01 poise. So in this numerical, the length of the pipe is given as 1 meter, the width is 0.8 meter, and the velocity is given as 150 mm per second. So convert it into meter per second, then it will be equal to 0.15 meter per second. The viscosity of water is 0.01 poise. Again convert it into SI unit, then it will be equal to 0.001 Newton second per meter square. Now the Reynolds number is equal to rho v L upon mu. Here L is characteristic length, which is equal to the diameter of the pipe. So in this case we are calculating Reynolds number, and on the basis of Reynolds number first we see the flow pattern, whether the flow is laminar, turbulent or transition. Then according to flow we use appropriate formula for calculating thickness of the boundary layer. So the density of the water is 1000, the velocity is 0.15, length is 1 meter. Okay, it's not pipe, it's plate. So L is characteristic length, which is the length of the pipe, which is 1 meter. So viscosity is 0.001 Newton second per meter square. So if we put all this value in this equation, we finally the value of Reynolds number is 1,50,000. So this value is less than 2 lakh. It means the flow is laminar flow, and for laminar flow the equation for boundary layer thickness is this one. Here delta is thickness of the boundary layer, x is the length of the boundary layer, and this one is Reynolds number. So if we put all this value, finally the thickness of the boundary layer is 14.15 mm. Now moving to second problem. Air is flowing over a smooth plate with a velocity of 10 meter per second. The length of plate is 1.2 meter and width is 0.8 meter. If laminar boundary layer exists up to a value of Reynolds number 2 into 10 to the power 5, find the maximum distance from the leading edge up to which laminar boundary layer exists. So we need to calculate the value of x. Find the maximum thickness of a laminar boundary layer. It means we need to calculate the value of delta, and the viscosity of air is 0.15 stoke. The dimension of plate is given. The dimension of the plate is given, and the velocity is given. The velocity is air is 10 meter per second. Its length and width is also given. Its length and width are also given. The Reynolds number is given. So with the help of Reynolds number, we will calculate this x. This Reynolds number is rho v x upon mu. Here x is characteristic length. So if you put all these value in this equation here, then the value of x will be 300 mm. So because the flow is laminar, because the Reynolds number value is 2 into 10 to the power 5, so we will use equation for laminar flow to calculate the boundary layer thickness. So this is the equation. If we put all these value in this equation, finally we can calculate the value of boundary layer thickness, and the final value is 3.67 mm. Now moving to third problem. Air is flowing over a flat plate 500 mm long and 600 mm wide with a velocity of 4 meter per second. The kinematic viscosity of air is given as 0.15 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square per second. Find the boundary layer thickness at the end of plate. Take the density of air is 1.24 kg per meter cube. So here again we need to calculate the boundary layer thickness, and the length and width of the pipe is the plate is given. These value are in mm. So first of all convert this value in meter. So this 500 mm equal to 0.5 meter. Similarly the width of plate is 0.6 meter. The velocity of air is 4 meter per second, and the kinematic viscosity is 0.15 into 10 to the power 4 meter square per second. The density of air is again given as 1.24 kg per meter cube. Now first of all calculate the value of Reynolds number so that we can see the fluid pattern, whether it's laminar or turbulent or in transition region. So the Reynolds number is rho Vx upon mu. Here x is the characteristic length, rho is the density, u is velocity, and mu is viscosity. But in this problem the kinematic viscosity is given, so this mu upon rho equal to kinematic viscosity. Now Vx upon nu. Now put value of Vx and nu in this equation, and finally the value of Reynolds number is 1.33 into 10 to the power 5. So this value is less than 2 into 10 to the power 5. It means the flow is laminar. Now we need to calculate the boundary layer thickness at the end of plate. So at the end of plate means the x will be 0.5 because the length of plate is 0.5. So at this point the value of delta will be equal to this one. So if we put value of x and Reynolds number in this equation, finally the value of thickness is 6.56 mm. Now moving to the next problem. Here one more thing in this formula. Actually this formula is derived on the basis of velocity profile of the fluid layers. So this for example in this problem we use value 4.795. This value this is actually a constant which depends upon the flow pattern of the fluid. So here in exam I will give value of this constant, so you use that. So in if you can see in previous numerical, this value is varying in problem to problem. So it's only because it's depend upon the flow pattern. For example in this numerical the velocity profile is this one. So for this velocity profile the value of this constant is 4.795. Now moving to next problem. A plate of 600 mm length and 400 mm wide is immersed in a fluid of specific gravity 0.9 and kinematic viscosity 10 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square per second. The fluid is moving with a velocity of 6 meter per second. Determine the boundary layer thickness. So again we need to calculate the value of delta. Again the length and width of the pipe is given, so first of all convert it into SI unit. Then the length will be 0.6 meter and the width is 0.4 meter. The specific gravity is given as 0.9. So with the help of specific gravity, calculate a density of the fluid. The final density will be 900 kg per meter cube, and the velocity of fluid is again given as 6 meter per second, and kinematic viscosity is given as 10 to the power minus 4 meter square per second. So with the help of kinematic viscosity, velocity and characteristic length, calculate the value of Reynolds number. So this value of Reynolds number is 3.6 into 10 to the power 4. As Reynolds number is less than 5 into 10 to the power 5, it means the boundary layer is laminar over the entire length of the plate. So for laminar flow, the formula for calculating the thickness of boundary layer is 4.91 x upon Reynolds number. This 4.91 is a constant for laminar flow. So put value of x and Reynolds number in this equation, and finally the value of the thickness of boundary layer is 15.5 mm. In this problem, determine the thickness of boundary layer at the trailing edge of the smooth plate of length 4 meter and of width 1.5 meter, moving with the velocity of 4 meter per second in stationary air. Take kinematic viscosity of air as 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 5 meter square per second. Again, we have to calculate the boundary layer thickness, that is delta. Now the length of plate is 4 meter, the width is 1.5 meter, velocity is 4 meter per second, kinematic viscosity is 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 5 meter square per second. So with the help of these data, determine the value of Reynolds number. So that value of Reynolds number is 10.66 into 10 to the power 5. So this value is more than 5 into 10 to the power 5. It means the flow is turbulent. So for turbulent flow, equation for boundary layer thickness is this one. The x is characteristic length, which is equal to the length of the plate, and r is Reynolds number. So if we put value of x and Reynolds number in this equation, the final value of the thickness of boundary layer is 92.1 mm. Now in this problem, water is flowing over a thin smooth plate of length 4 meter and width 2 meter at a velocity of 1 meter per second. If the boundary layer flow changes from laminar to turbulent at a Reynolds number 5 into 10 to the power minus 5, determine the distance from leading edge up to which boundary layer is laminar. The thickness of the boundary layer at the transition point. Take viscosity of water as 9.81 into 10 to the power minus 4 Newton second per meter square. So in this problem also we need to determine the thickness of the boundary layer and length of the layer. The length of the pipe of the plate is given as 4 meter, the width is given as 2 meter, and the velocity of fluid is 1 meter per second. The Reynolds number for boundary layer is 5 into 10 to the power 5. The viscosity of water is 9.81 into 10 to the power minus 4 Newton second per meter square. So if we put this value in Reynolds number equation, that is Reynolds number equal to rho v x upon mu, then we can calculate the value of x. So after putting value of Reynolds number as 5 into 10 to the power 5, and this rho equal to 1000, u equal to 1, and mu equal to 9.81 into 10 to the power minus 4. Finally the value of x is 490 mm. Now thickness of boundary layer at the point where boundary layer changes from laminar to turbulent, that is at Reynolds number 5 into 10 to the power 5 is given as this one. So Reynolds number equal to 4.91x upon Reynolds number. So put value of x and Reynolds number in this equation, and the final value of thickness of boundary layer is 3.4 mm. So this is the end of today tutorial. Thank you.